The Model RS is a pull cord safety stop switch. Personnel who find themselves in a hazardous or dangerous situation can pull the cable attached to the switch to shut down the conveyor. The Model RS covers up to 200 feet of conveyor, 100 feet to the left of the switch, and 100 feet to the right of the switch, with cable support eye bolts every 10 feet. The mounting bracket, cable support eye bolts, and cable end fittings are offered in a kit for proper installation.
Here we have our Model RS2 safety stop mounted to this conveyor. To activate the switch, an endangered person would simply reach out, grab the cable. The switch would activate and shut down the system. The red flag arm gives a visual indication that this switch is tripped. So to reset this switch, simply push the switch in and rotate to the right, and your switch is reset. All of our conveyor safety system switches are American made, in stock, and ready to ship to you now.